What's up guys, Flash again, new video. Today we are going to unbox the Yoga from Lenovo. It's the Yoga i7 and this is the high-end version of it. It comes with a 16 gigs RAM and a 1 TB SSD, so it's not a hard drive, so it's going to be pretty quick with, well, of course, the storage, and it comes with Windows 11 pre-installed. Since it's a Yoga, it will also be able to become a tablet, as you can see right here. And that's pretty much it for the box overview, since there's nothing on the bottom of the box. So let's just go ahead and cut it open, and it says the Yoga i7 14.5 and 15.5. The one I have right here is the 15.5. So yep, just get the device outside. It is such a sleek device, and of course they include the choking warning for the plastic covers that come with it. And something else that I would like to mention is the fact that it comes with a 65 watt Type-C charger, which is really beneficial. And we also have the user manual and safety and warranty guides that come with it too. So this is the charger that I mentioned previously, and it comes with the American power outlet plug point, so that's there. And you have the 65 watt charger that is here. So as you can see, it's all wrapped up. It's pretty brand new. Well, it is brand new, it's not pretty brand new. So the laptop itself is right here. It is real sleek, like it is really sleek. But the only thing I would like to mention here is the fact that it is kind of heavy, I would say, and I didn't expect it to be this big. Of course, it is a 15.6 inch. We have seen 17-inch laptops previously in the channel, and this is something that is inside the laptop itself. It comes with a fingerprint scanner on the side. It also has a keyboard. Something that I would prefer having is a bigger trackpad. I don't know why they made it so small. It would have been beneficial to take advantage of the huge laptop space and just make the trackpad a bit bigger. But yep, that's good. And you can see the sound bar that's over here, so it's going to have rich sound. And yep, the camera has a privacy shutter that you can move. And another cool thing is the fact that it says Yoga 7 series on the top. It also comes with a keyboard backlight, so it's good for typing during the night. I mean, it's just a superstition at this point, since I'm not used to working at night, so I pretty much don't know if it is the case. Yep, that's pretty much it for the video guys. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.